Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to make gradient background in Instagram story. Now this is quite a simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. The first up, I will create a story and show you how you can select something to make sure that you get yourself a gradient background. Now once you're in here, you can click on the create button right here. It's these two A's here. Click on create, and then you can tap on the bottom right corner to change the gradient of the background. If you tap, you will get a solid color, but if you keep tapping, you will get gradient options like this one here, and this one as well. If you want solid colors, just long press on the circle and select any color that you want. Once you're happy with it, you can click again to get another gradient. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can get a gradient background for your Instagram story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.